boys and girls. I'm so glad that you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. We're gonna have a good time today, boys and girls. And we have some special helpers. We have Mr. Ben.
Hi.
And Miss Cadence.
Hi.
And Miss Nicole.
Hi.
And Mr. Sebi.
Hi.
Oh, and guess what? Today, we're gonna be making summertime cupcakes with lemon glaze.
Yum.
Does that sound good?
Yes.
Oh, they're yummy because guess what? I've already made some ahead of time so that you guys will get to try them. And I might have tasted of one. They're good. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll make our cupcakes. This is our glaze. I've already mixed the glaze together for you, but I'm going to teach you how to glaze your cupcakes, okay? So, boys, if you will help the girls, here's your mixing bowls. So, boys, you can start with putting 1 cup of, 1.5 cups of the white flour, and I'll have the girls put 1 cup of the wheat flour. So, find your 1 cup. Right here, the bigger one. See how it says a 1? So get your 1 cup.
Is this right, Miss Cinda?
Yes, that's
Miss
exactly
Cinda,
right.
is this right.
That's your 1/2 cup. So you'll need 1 of those because you're going to do 1.5 cups, okay?
Miss Cinda, remember to measure with your knife.
Very good, Ben. Boys and girls, it's really important when you're measuring that you want to measure level cupfuls. And see how they're leveling it with their knives? They're filling their cups up and then leveling it. Good job. Okay, get your 1 cup in there. Okay, Cadence, now what you can do is I'm going to help you put in the baking powder, okay? Let's see. Are you guys almost ready for your baking powder?
Yep.
You're going to need, you want to help her, Ben? She's going to need 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Oh, teaspoons, look. This is a spoon, not a cup. And you know what I can show you how to do? Ben, while she's doing that, you can put 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And I'm getting ahead of you guys, so this has a level right in it. Let me help you. You go like this.
Miss Cinda, where's my 8 teaspoon?
Right there. See the
Right
orange
there,
one?
Miss Cinda?
See the orange one? It says 1/8. Look, Cadence, go like this and see how that levels it off for you?
Miss
There,
Cinda,
put 1.
How many cups of this?
Just 1. Did you already do 1? Okay, let me move it. Then 1 more, Cadence. Okay, Nicole, now you can put in 2 teaspoons of baking powder. No teaspoon. And Sebi, you and Ben can put in 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Did you do 2 of these? Did she do 2 of these?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
I think that one.
Okay. There, we got that in. Now you get the salt. Good job. You need 2 of these. Let me show you. See how you can put it in like this and it levels it off for you. See? There's 1.
What
Go
next,
ahead.
Miss Cinda?
And let's do 1 more. There you go. Now what we need is a 1/2 cup of pure maple syrup. So get your 1/2 cup, and boys, you can do this. There you go, 1/2 cup of pure maple syrup.
Miss Cinda,
What,
I
Ben?
like maple syrup.
Oh, I love maple syrup.
I like maple syrup too.
You do? Oh, I love maple syrup. It's yummy, isn't it? Okay, girls. You know what? Cadence, why don't you stir up your powder before he gets the liquid in there? And Nicole, why don't you stir up the dry ingredients before he gets the liquid in there? You want to make sure that you stir up your salt and your baking powder with your flour, boys and girls.
Miss Cinda.
And now you add your wet ingredients, okay?
Miss Cinda, this
yes,
is
Ben?
fun.
Oh, good. Okay,
Ready?
I'm going to help you add the oil. Go ahead, Sebi.
Not ready, okay? Not ready. Now you can do it.
Okay. Oh, good job. I'm going to help you add the oil. There we go.
Do we mix it?
Yes. And here,
Good job.
Sebi, you want to add that?
Mix, 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 mix.
Here, Ben, you want to add, this is 1 can of lemonade.
All of it, Miss Cinda?
All of it. 1 can. And then you're gonna need, let's see,
Miss
what's
Cinda.
this? The lemon. This is pure lemon extract, yes? Okay, I'm gonna give you 2 teaspoons. Here, you wanna hold this, Cadence? Or Ben can hold it. You can keep stirring. So you want 2 tablespoons of pure lemon extract. There you go. You wanna hold yours, Nicole?
Let's keep on
And I'll
mixing.
give you 2 teaspoons. 1, okay, down, and 2. There you go. Okay. You already did 2, sweetie. You just want 2 because you know why? Lemon extract is really concentrated, boys and girls, and you don't want to add too much because then it'll be really strong. And you don't want it to be that strong.
Miss Cinda.
Uh-huh.
A lot of when you pour the oil in it, like separated with that.
Oh, did it? Now, do you notice, boys and girls, how I clean up as we're going? That's really important, boys and girls. When you're cooking, try and keep things clean. Now, if you kind of accidentally make a mess and spill stuff, is that okay, boys and girls?
Yeah.
What does Miss Cinda always say?
We always have fun cleaning up.
That's right. We don't mind a mess, do we? No, because we can have fun. Always want to have fun in the kitchen, don't we?
Uh-huh.
Okay, you guys, now, before you pour it into your cupcake pans, what do we want to do? We want to make sure we've read our recipe and we've gotten everything in, okay? So let's see, we have the whole wheat flour, the all-purpose flour, the baking powder, salt, maple syrup, the canola oil, and the lemonade. We did it!
We don't have that in.
But that's our glaze. Remember, we're gonna put that on the top. So, okay, boys and girls, I'm gonna give you some cupcake liners, and you line your pan with some cupcake liners. Here, Nicole, line your pan with some, can you give Ben some? And line your pan. Let's move this from you boys. And because you want it, if you don't have the cupcake liners, boys and girls, you can just spray it with a nonstick baking spray, and that will be just fine too. But the liners are kind of fun. Oh, careful, guys! Look, there's more than one liner here. Well. You know what? Now I know why you did it. You couldn't get it in. So we'll just leave it, and we'll just have an extra strong liner, won't we? Mm-hmm. Yep. We won't even worry about it, will we?
Nope.
No. I'm going to get all this out of your way. Okay, now you're going to take. Okay. You're all done? Okay.
We got all of them.
Oh, good job. Thank you. You know what? You can use these cups, and you want to fill your cupcake almost to the top. Okay? So you fill this end, you fill this end, okay? Let's move it like this so Cadence can reach it too. There, you fill this in and almost to the top of each one. Good job. That's a little too full, Cadence. Not quite so much,
that,
okay?
Miss Cinda?
Yes. And then that way they'll raise up. They don't raise real tall, but they'll raise up, okay? Good job, Nicole. Come over here in this end and let Sebi do this end, okay? That's good. You can do it. Well, that's good. Yeah, you could do a little more. That's good. Okay, keep going.
Miss Cinda, it drips.
Oh, it's okay. I have some paper towels here, and boys and girls, if it drips onto your baking sheet, you need to clean that up before you bake it, because otherwise all those little dribbles will burn.
Miss Cinda,
Yes,
I like
Nicole?
to play in the summer.
You do what?
I like to play in the summer.
You like to play in the summer? Oh, who likes to play outside in the summer? Oh.
If it's not too hot.
If it's not too hot.
If you spend too much time out there, maybe you'll fry up.
Oh, no.
If you stay there out too
too long, then you're going to get really hot.
Oh no! And then you know what I'll do if I get too hot? I'll take the garden hose and I'll just spray it all over me. And I'll spray it on you guys too. And I'll just get you all wet. Do you think Miss Cinda would spray you with the garden hose?
Yeah.
Yes, I would. I sure would. We'd have fun playing outside, wouldn't we?
Yeah. I like to play outside.
You do?
It's fun.
It's fun, isn't it? And we can take a picnic outside. We could go under a big shade tree if it was really hot. Don't you think?
Yeah.
Yeah. We could jump into a pond or a swimming pool, but only if an adult's with you, boys and girls, because you don't want to do that. Okay, let's wipe this off and let's put these in the oven, boys and girls, and then I'm going to show you how to frost one, okay? I'll show you how we glaze them. See how I'm wiping this off?
Mm-hmm.
And
Miss Cinda, it's like wheels stuck together that when you spin this one, they all spin.
oh, yeah, they do, don't they? And now, Ben, you and Cadence can walk over and put yours in the oven. Oh, that's our kitchen timer. We need to get these in the oven. Okay, Ben, you may take these over, but boys and girls, you only put them in the oven if an adult is with you, okay? So you can put yours on the top or the bottom, and then Sebi, I'm gonna let you put these in the oven. Be really careful, Ben, because the oven's hot. We don't want you to, you don't want to get burned, Ben. Okay? There. Okay, Ben, can you, wait, Sebi, we gotta quick clean it up. We gotta get all that off real fast. All right. Okay, there you go, Sebi. Okay, take that and put that in the oven. And be really careful, Sebi. Boys and girls, be really careful when you put it in the oven. Oh, put it this way, Sebi. There you go. There you go. Awesome. Okay. Who wants to learn how to glaze one?
Me.
Oh, okay.
Miss Cinda?
So let me show you really fast, okay?
Okay. Miss Cinda?
What?
Can you cut a hole in the top and then,
And to have more glaze, look, here's what you do. You just go like that.
Uh-huh.
You just drizzle it over. Who wants to drizzle one?
Me.
Okay, you guys all come over here. And that way you can, I'll get a plate for you. Save ones for Cadence and I'll get a plate. Because we want Cadence to be able to do it too. Doesn't that look good? And then when you get yours drizzled, you can eat it. There you go, Cadence. Oh, boys and girls, don't these look yummy? Oh. Is that good? Mm-hmm. Boys and girls, anytime you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.